Quaker Parrot vs. Sun Conure. Which bird is right for you? Welcome to our video on the comparison of Quaker Parrots and Sun Conures. These two birds are popular choices for pet bird enthusiasts, and today we will help you decide which one might be the right fit for you. Physical characteristics. Let's start with the physical characteristics of both birds. Quaker parrots are small to medium-sized birds, typically measuring around 11 to 12 inches in length. They have green feathers on their back, wings, and tail, with gray feathers on their chest and head. Sun Conures, on the other hand, are slightly smaller, measuring around 12 inches in length, and are known for their bright and vibrant colors, with orange and yellow feathers on their head and chest, and green feathers on their wings and back. Personality traits. Moving on to personality traits, Quaker parrots are known for their intelligence and ability to mimic human speech. They are social birds and enjoy spending time with their owners. They can be quite playful and enjoy toys and activities that challenge them mentally. Sun Conures, on the other hand, are known for their outgoing and lively personality. They are playful and enjoy interacting with their owners, but they can also be quite loud and vocal, which may not be ideal for everyone. Lifestyle needs. When it comes to lifestyle needs, Quaker parrots are relatively easy to care for. They require a spacious cage, fresh food and water daily, and regular interaction with their owners. They also enjoy toys and other forms of enrichment. Sun Conures, on the other hand, require a bit more attention and care. They need a larger cage, plenty of toys, and regular socialization to prevent boredom and behavioral issues. Final thoughts. Ultimately, the decision between a Quaker parrot and a Sun Conure comes down to personal preference and lifestyle. If you are looking for a bird that is intelligent and easy to care for, a Quaker parrot may be the right choice for you. If you are looking for a more colorful and outgoing bird that requires a bit more attention and care, a Sun Conure may be the way to go. Outro. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision on whether a Quaker parrot or a Sun Conure is the right fit for you. Let us know in the comments which bird you prefer and why. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching.